Don't ever tell me I'm not bougie. Dollar Tree wine glasses. Cheers.
Look down, you're talking to your highness. Can't see me, I'm the reason for your blindness. They tried this, but I'm too classy for your lines. Got my double cups up, that's the reason that I'm like this, like this, like this, like this.
Because I'm a lady, that's why.
Hey guys, it's Blaize, and this is my mini collective makeup beauty haul, whatever that I have going on for you today. Yay! Before I get started, I know I look like a hot mess, and I know that I'm not really myself today, but I am trying to do the best that I can. Been struggling all week. So this is not from one purchase. This is like collectively for the past month or so. Almost a month. Some of these, most of them actually, I'm not going to go into full detail about because they are for my new series, Dupe There It Is. If you haven't checked it out, I will link it in this video. You can definitely go check that out. But before I get into it, first, make sure to go down, hit that subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are. And I always have free monthly beauty giveaways, 100% free, no catch, not sponsored. It goes from my pocket and gives directly to you. I've got one going on for this month that ends on the 29th. It is a free Morphe palette. So amazing. So definitely go check out that video, and I will also link that down in the description box with all my social medias. What? So I've been thinking the past week, and I've been talking it out with a couple different people, not many, just a couple. I don't know if I want to keep the name Dupe There It Is, so I'm going to put a poll in here, and please let me know by taking the poll or commenting down below if you would like your voice to be heard and want your opinion out there. Should I keep it as Dupe There It Is, or should I change it to Dupe and Chill? Those were the two names that came to mind immediately when I thought of last year when I thought about starting this series. So it was a really close call between the two of them. So would you like me to keep it as Dupe There It Is, or would you like to have it be called Dupe and Chill? Let me know your opinions in the poll and comment down below. Send me a message, whatever you want to do. Okay, let's get into the little mini haul. The first thing I got is simple. It is the Kiss nail glue. It's their maximum speed nail glue. Got this at Walgreens for I think $3.99. The best nail glue on the market. Wearing nails right now, using it. It is amazing. This was actually found, my mother found this. This was from over a year ago. This purchase was made on Amazon, so I don't know if you can still even find this, but it's from one of my favorite online find budget beauty companies. Hi, I'm good. The brand is called Amori, and I have a whole bunch of Amori eyeshadows, lip products, and I even have their face primer, which is amazingly awesome. And this is the Amori 12 color eyeshadow palette shadow collection. So I don't even remember purchasing this. I don't remember. I really like 2 of the 3 palettes that are in here. I think I'm going to donate the first one. This is palette number 1. So these are the colors in that palette. I think this is one that I'm either going to be giving away or donating to Project Beauty Share, very important charity. Why can't I think of things? This is palette number 2, which would be perfect for February since everybody's looking for pinks and sultry looking stuff. I'm mainly keeping it for these colors right here. These 4 colors right there. And this one, palette number 3, is my favorite. And this is what this one looks like. And of course you can tell this shade is what drew me to it. I love it. That was a horrible swatch, Blaize. There we go. So pretty. So pretty. They're uber shiny. Here, I'll swatch a couple other ones. Look at that. Beautiful. and I've only seen Amori on Amazon. So I know that they don't have like it in stores or anything, but they've got some amazing, beautiful products. So if you can find them, definitely give them a try. Just go on Amazon and type in Amori Beauty or Amori Cosmetics. So yeah, I thought I'd throw that in there. This, you guys. Okay, so this is the Sleek Makeup Hella Good Eyes Holiday. Why is my brain just not working today? The brain fog from fibromyalgia is seriously on point today. The holiday gift set, I've been wanting to try something from Sleek for so long, and Walgreens was having a whole bunch of Sleek gift sets this holiday season, and it was still kind of pricey. And like I said, that time I wasn't really trying to find anything for myself, I was trying to find for others. So this says it's a $26 value for 2 eyeshadow palettes. So that would be $13 a palette, and they sold it at $20 right here. So I went in the last thing that they had like 2 weeks ago, and it was this, and it was 50% off. So $10 for this when each palette is priced at $13. And guys, this is what it looks like. First of all, I love the colors, the black, the gold, and the hot pink inside. I love it, and it's magnetic. So these are the 2 palettes it comes with. It just says Sleek on them. So we have this palette right here. Hi, hey, hello. So this is the Gleaming in Gold palette. So the eyeshadow condoms up there. So these are the gorgeous shades that come in this one. Just a whole bunch of neutrals and golds and bronzy type shimmery shades. Guys, these shadows are the softest and most buttery feeling, creamy, like you're dipping your hands literally in butter. It is amazing. I have to, like, look at this. They're so pigmented and so soft. I am in love. So I'm definitely gonna be picking up more products from Sleek. I know you can find it at Ulta and Ulta.com, which I'm probably going to go on to and pick up a couple more. And these palettes are kind of like sleek, you know what I mean? They're kind of like tiny, so if you are going on vacation, perfect for traveling. This palette is Vintage Romance, and it's got these sponge tips. They both come with double-sided sponge tips. So these are the beautiful colors that come in this one, and they even have one matte one, which is a perfect transition color, like, and crease color, like here. It's a perfect transition crease color. They've got so many pretty colors. This one is probably gonna be my favorite. So let's swatch some of these. The one on my middle finger. Yes, bitch. So pretty, and they are so soft, and like I said, so buttery. I love these palettes so much. So it was definitely worth the $10 that we got this for, and I'm really excited and happy to keep this in my collection. And I think I'm gonna keep them in this box. I don't think I'm gonna put, yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it in here. I put them in backwards when I first showed you. It's supposed to be like that. I'm so out of it today. Okay, the last 3 products I'm going to show you are going to be ones that I'm not going to be going into too much detail, because these are for my next episode of either Dupe There It Is or Dupe and Chill, whichever you guys vote on is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to show you, but not like swatch anything, even though I've swatched all 3 of these once, like one of each of these. So let me explain, because they're going to be first impressions, everything. Just let me show you. If you guys didn't watch my first episode of Dupe There It Is, you will know I got the Kylie Holiday collection when nowhere ever on the eBay listing, did it say Kylie's name anywhere. So I was really hoping it was an actual dupe, but it did say her name on it and everything like that. So it's a knockoff. So I liked them so much though, I picked up the Valentine's Day edition. Again, I'm not going to go into all the detail about it, but I got this on eBay. These are the gorgeous colors. I will get into this more when I do my review on this. Then this came in yesterday finally. This is an actual dupe. It's not a knockoff, it's a dupe. It is the You Can Be Heaven's Hue highlighter, which you guys can see is a dupe for the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. So look at how pretty. So we got the 4 shades there, and I'm covering the mirror so you're not blinded. So, and it actually is a dupe. It doesn't say Kat Von D anywhere, which makes me so happy. Okay, battery, I see you. And the last thing in this haul is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. This was supposed to again be a dupe. It wasn't supposed to say Huda Beauty anywhere, but it does say that. So I love the packaging and the colors in this. First of all, the eyeshadow condom, like I want to keep it just because, like, look at how cool. Again, not going into all details, but here is a sneak peek at the colors in this. So yeah, that's like pretty much just this little makeup beauty collective haul that I've been having for like the past month or so. My battery's about to die, so I have to go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, please make sure to go below, hit that subscribe button, and subscribe right now. I will talk to you guys very soon. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and yeah, until next time, my wicked little lovey lovies, stay wicked.